Take a look at this YouTube channel. It has 888,000 subscribers. Now look at the views on these videos. 227 million views, 48 million views, 29 million views, 26 million views, 18 million views, and 17 million views. The idea behind this channel is incredibly simple: mixing colors. With this one simple concept, the channel is making thousands of dollars every month. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create videos like these for free using AI in less than 5 minutes. Make sure you watch until the end because there's one important tip that can make a big difference. The best part is that everything in this tutorial uses free AI tools, so you don't even need a pro subscription. Let's get started. But before we do, if you enjoy AI tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. For this tutorial, I created a custom prompt, and you'll find the link in the description below. Open the link to get started. As you can see, there are 3 variables highlighted in red. Before sending the prompt to ChatGPT, you need to replace these variables. The variables are color A, color B, and material type. Copy the prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and replace the red variables. For this example, I'll use sky blue as the first color and violet as the second color. For the material, I'll use oil paint. Now send the prompt to ChatGPT. A few seconds later, ChatGPT will generate 1 image prompt and 1 video prompt. Copy the image prompt and open Google Flow. Paste the prompt into Google Flow, adjust the image settings. I'm using Nano Banana Pro for image generation. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and the number of images you want to generate, then click Generate. A few seconds later, your images will be ready. Choose the image you like the most. Open the 3-dot menu and click Add to Prompt. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow and paste it into the prompt box. Switch to video mode. Set the aspect ratio to match your image. Choose OmniFlash as the video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds and the number of videos to 1. Then click Generate. A few seconds later, your video will be ready. As you can see, the whole process only takes a few minutes, and the final result looks amazing. Let's do it one more time using a different material. At the end, I'll also show you several materials you can experiment with. Go back to the prompt link in the description and copy the prompt again. Open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and replace the red variables. This time, I'll choose blue as the first color and yellow as the second color. For the material, you can use oil paint, acrylic paint, powder pigment, kinetic sand, slime, clay, gel, or cream. This time, I'll choose powder pigment. Send the prompt to ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT generates the image prompt and the video prompt, copy the image prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Adjust the image settings and click Generate. When the images are ready, choose your favorite one, open the 3-dot menu, and click Add to Prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow, paste the prompt, switch to video mode, adjust your video settings, and click Generate. After a few seconds, your second video will be ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'd love to see the videos you create using this method. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.